Managing stress and emotions is an essential aspect of personal development. Stress and emotions can greatly impact our ability to achieve our goals and aspirations, and can affect our overall well-being and satisfaction. When we are stressed, our ability to think clearly, make decisions, and focus is diminished. Stress can also lead to physical and mental health problems, such as high blood pressure, depression, and anxiety. Emotions, such as anger, fear, and sadness, can also negatively impact our well-being and happiness. To effectively manage stress and emotions, it is important to first identify and understand our triggers. Triggers are the events, people, or situations that cause us to feel stressed or emotional. Once we have identified our triggers, we can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. Some effective stress management strategies include exercise, meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and time management. Exercise is a great way to manage stress because it releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that make us feel good. Exercise also helps to relax the body and improve our overall physical health. Meditation, yoga, and deep breathing are all great ways to reduce stress and improve our emotional well-being. These practices help to slow down our thoughts and focus on the present moment. Time management is also an essential aspect of stress management. By managing our time effectively, we can reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed and improve our ability to focus on the task at hand. Another effective way to manage stress and emotions is to develop a strong support system. This can include family, friends, and professional support. Talking to someone about our feelings can help us to understand and process them. Joining a support group or talking to a therapist can also be a great way to find support. In addition to managing stress and emotions, it is also important to develop a positive attitude. Positive thinking can greatly impact our ability to achieve our goals and aspirations and can affect our overall well-being and satisfaction. Positive thinking can help us to see the good in difficult situations and can help us to develop a more resilient mindset. In conclusion, managing stress and emotions is an essential aspect of personal development. By identifying our triggers and developing effective stress management strategies, we can improve our ability to achieve our goals and aspirations, and can affect our overall well-being and satisfaction. Additionally, developing a strong support system and a positive attitude can also greatly impact our ability to manage stress and emotions.